The Formax FD 1502 Plus Auto Seal Tabletop Pressure Sealer. The Formax FD 1502 Plus Auto Seal with integrated conveyor is an ideal solution for processing pressure-sensitive one-piece mailers. Pressure seal forms can be used for documents that can be printed and folded on one sheet, eliminating the cost of envelopes and creating a sealed mail-ready piece. The FD 1502 Plus processes up to 6,250 forms per hour at sizes up to 14 inches in length. The fold plates are clearly marked for quick and easy setup. Plus, the integrated conveyor keeps the processed documents in a neat sequential order ready for mailing. User-friendly features include an LED indicator, 6-digit resettable counter, and a drop-in feed system for dependable feeding of forms with no paper fanning required. The FD 1502 Plus is pre-marked for standard folds in 11-inch and 14-inch paper sizes and can also be easily set for custom folds, including eccentric Z and C-fold two-way mailers. To set up and operate the FD 1502 Plus, begin by lifting the feed table and setting the adjusting side guides. Next, set the stop position for the top fold plate. First, lift and remove the top cover. Then, loosen the black knobs and slide the fold stop to the appropriate setting on the fold plate. Retighten the knobs and replace the top cover. To set the bottom fold plate, remove the fold plate. Repeat the identical process as the top fold plate and replace. To set a half fold, simply remove the lower fold plate and turn it around so that the metal stop is leading and replace it as shown. Next, slide the output conveyor wheels to match the correct paper length and fold type. Now, load the printed forms into the feeder and press the green button to start. The resettable counter keeps an accurate count of processed forms. In no time, forms are folded, sealed, and ready for the mail in one easy process. The FD 1502 Plus with integrated conveyor is reliable and efficient, proudly built in the USA, and is an ideal solution for streamlining your mail processing.